We will show you how to charge the Haylou X1 earbuds. First, place the earbuds into the charging case, and as it supports wireless charging, you can use a wireless charger to charge it. You can see that there's a LED that will blink on the charging case itself. This is how you use the wireless charger to charge the Haylou X1 earbuds. Besides using the wireless charger, you can also use a power bank or a phone adapter. We recommend that you use a 1 ampere phone adapter to charge the charging case and the earbuds, as not all the wireless earbuds support fast charging or having an adapter with a 2 ampere rating. So we'll plug into our power bank. In this case, we have plugged it into the 1 ampere USB port and plug it into the charging case at the back. This is a Type-C interface, and you can see that it has started charging as well. So this is how you charge your Haylou X1 earbuds and the charging case, either by using a wireless charger or even a power bank. Next, we will show you how to reset to factory defaults for your Haylou X1 earbuds. Let's open the charging case. You can see that it is connected to our mobile phone. To reset to factory defaults, simply press on both earbuds for 10 seconds. The earbuds have been reset, and you will need to pair it again with your mobile phone. To pair with your mobile phone, remove the earbuds from the charging case. From the Bluetooth on your phone, you can select Haylou X1. You can see that it's a Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair. And your Haylou X1 is now paired again with your Android phone. And so this is how you reset the Haylou X1 back to factory defaults and to pair it again with your Android phone.